Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. You are watching Gmail tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to reply automatically to the incoming emails in our Gmail account. Suppose we are away from our hometown or office for the vacation and not able to get internet access to communicate with the email senders. We can set up an automatic responder to notify people that we won't be able to get back to them now with an email. To turn on an automatic reply, click on gear icon on top of the messages in inbox. From the drop down menu, please select settings. Scroll down to the vacation responder. By default, vacation responder is off. To enable this, click on vacation responder on. After this, fill in the date range. Last day will be optional when we are using this for single day. I want to set this and enter the subject line and enter the message text. And if you want, we can apply the formatting options. Also, if you have a signature, it will be shown at the bottom of our reply message, and under our message box, check in the box. If you want, only send this response to people in our contacts, but not for every incoming email. And finally, click on save changes. Then we can see a notification text across the top of our inbox, which shows the subject of our vacation responder message. Now let's try to send an email to this from another Gmail account. Click on send. Message sent successfully. And notice that automatically we got a reply message. Only this vacation responder message will be shown to the contacts in our Gmail account. After this, if you want to turn off this, simply click on End Now option showing across top of our inbox, or go to settings, scroll down to vacation responder. In general tab, here select vacation responder off and save the changes. Then the vacation responder option will be disabled. One thing, remember that vacation responder starts at 12 AM on the start date and ends at 11:59 PM on the end date, unless we end it earlier. And if same person contacts us again after 4 days, if our vacation reply is still on, they will get our vacation responder message again. Like this, we can reply automatically to the incoming emails in our Gmail account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.